I am back to present the industrial interior style to Suzie and Jeff. Recently, Suzie sees a lot of industrial decoration on her Instagram feed, and she wants to know more about it. Jeff also looks excited to learn more about this style.
The style looks different from what we mostly see in our friends' houses. I want my house to be special, not just copy and paste from others.
I don't care about others. I bought this Harley-Davidson motorcycle. I really want to put it in our house, and I guess this industrial style lets me do so.
I don't want to have a motorcycle in my living room. How many times do I have to say it?
Don't worry guys, I'm gonna tell you everything about this style and then you can make a better decision. Welcome to Foreign Interior. The industrial interior design style takes inspiration from the Industrial Revolution of the 18th and 19th centuries, when factories and warehouses were built using raw essential materials such as brick, concrete, and steel. These spaces were designed for practicality and efficiency, rather than aesthetics, but over time their raw functional aesthetics became popular among artists, designers, and architects. Today, the industrial interior design style remains popular, particularly in urban areas where loft living and repurposed industrial spaces are common. Here are some key features of industrial interior design style. Materials and textures. Industrial design uses raw, unrefined materials to create a sense of roughness and texture. Materials like metal, concrete, and exposed brick are common in this style. The use of rough textures such as rusted metal or weathered wood is also common. These textures help to reinforce the rugged industrial aesthetics of the style. Color palette. The color palette of industrial design is typically neutral and monochromatic, with shades of gray, brown, black, and white being the most common. This color scheme helps to create a cohesive, unified look throughout the space. Exposed pipes and ductwork. One of the hallmarks of industrial design is the use of exposed pipes and ductwork. These elements are often left unfinished and unpainted to give a sense of rawness and functionality. High ceilings and open spaces. About the base of the space, industrial design often makes use of high ceilings and open spaces to create a sense of spaciousness. This design element is particularly effective in industrial lofts or converted warehouses. Furniture. Industrial design furniture should be functional and sturdy, often made of raw materials like metal and reclaimed wood. Pieces should be simple in design and often have an industrial feel to them. For example, a coffee table made of reclaimed wood and metal piping could fit perfectly in an industrial-style living room. Furniture with distressed leather also can be seen in this style. Moreover, we often incorporate vintage or repurposed furniture and decor pieces. Pieces like old machinery, factory equipment, or salvaged wood can add a sense of history and character to the space. Lighting. In this style, we try to have natural daylight as much as possible. Industrial decor typically features large windows with black paint, sometimes in grid patterns. For artificial lighting, the fixtures should be simple and functional, often made of metal or exposed bulb designs. Pendant lights with wire cages, bare bulbs, or metal shades are popular choices. Industrial-inspired floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces can also be used to add ambient lighting to the space. Hardware. Industrial hardware should be simple, functional, and often made of metal. Handles and knobs should be minimalistic and understated, and drawer pulls can be made from industrial materials like pipe fittings or metal brackets. Accessories and artwork. In terms of artwork, industrial-style spaces often feature abstract or graphic prints, posters, or paintings with a minimalistic, modernist, or even urban street art aesthetics. These works may incorporate bold colors and geometric shapes and often have a bold and graphic quality that complements the industrial surroundings. One common element in industrial-style artwork and decor is the use of metal, especially in the form of rusted or distressed metal sculptures and wall hangings. This may include mechanical components, which can be repurposed as a decorative accents. Who is this style for? Industrial interior design style can be appealing to a wide range of people, but it's particularly suited for those who are drawn to a more rugged, raw aesthetic. It's often favored by those who appreciate the history and functionality of industrial spaces. Also, people may be drawn to the practicality and functionality of this style. Additionally, this style can be a good choice for those who have large open spaces to decorate, such as lofts or converted warehouses. Where this style can be infused. Industrial interior design style can be incorporated into a variety of spaces, including homes, apartments, and lofts, to create a unique, stylish interior. Moreover, this style can be a good choice for restaurants, cafes, and commercial spaces, since it can help to create an inviting, trendy environment that draws customers in. Industrial chic. Industrial chic is an offshoot of industrial style. It's a more refined and polished take on the industrial aesthetic. This style combines the ruggedness of industrial design with more luxurious high-end materials like plush fabrics, polished metals, and sparkling glass. The color palette may still be neutral, but it may include brighter, more vibrant accent colors. Vintage or repurposed furniture may still be used, but it is often mixed with newer, more high-end pieces to create a sense of contrast. Overall, industrial chic is a more upscale version of the industrial interior design style. That's all you need to know about this style. What do you think?
This is amazing. This is my dream house style.
Well, I guess it is pretty unique and that's what I'm looking for. But still, I want to explore other styles before deciding.
I don't have time for this. If you like it and I like it, we should go with industrial.
Oh honey, I'm trying to bring the best for our future house. Please don't rush me.
Don't worry guys, that's what I'm here for. We will review more styles together.